Let's make buns dough.
White flour. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Yeast, 1½ tablespoon. Lukewarm milk, 1/4 cup. Cooking oil, 2 tablespoon. Mix it or well. Add 1 egg. Knead dough with warm water. Now cover and let it sit for 2 hours or until dough is doubled in size.
Let's start cooking.
Butter. Garlic paste. Sauté it for 1 minute. Shredded boiled chicken. Chicken stock. Cook it on medium flame for 2 minutes. Fresh milk. Black pepper. Red pepper. Salt. Oregano. Capsicum cubes. Carrot cubes. Chopped onion. Sauté it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Ketchup. Mayonnaise. Mustard paste. Mix it well.
It's ready now off the flame.
Knead until dough becomes smooth. Now make small loaves. Add prepared chicken filling. Let's prepare the remaining as well. Apply egg with brush. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Sprinkle oregano. Now bake it for 20 to 30 minutes or until done.